Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to set up a key shortcut to our accessibility options. So, where to find it? We have to go to settings, of course. Then we are looking for accessibility options. And here we have advanced settings. And to set up our button shortcuts, we have few options. For example, side and volume up buttons. And if we choose accessibility, now by simultaneously pressing volume up and our side button, we will have our accessibility. Let's test it. Press, and now our accessibility options popped up in our screen. So that's a little shortcut. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.